Hello guys, welcome to Varanteki, a place for better learning. Please do like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. In last session, we have learned about type conversion in Python. In today's session, let us learn Python basic input and output and how to take user input in Python. Basic input and output. In Python, we can use the input function to take user input and print function to display output. Here is a simple example. Here, name is a variable and we gave an input function here to enter the desired input. And for displaying the output, we have used print function. For performing some calculations, here we used num variable. For float and input function, float function is used to enter the numbers with point values. If we use int function, we have to give only numbers. We cannot give the point values. For displaying output, we have used print function. So this is the explanation. Now let's see an example in Google Colab. First one, taking user input in Google Colab. For giving any input, we have to use input function. So now let's run the code. Now we have given input enter something. So it has been displayed here. Now let us enter hello. So the output is here we have got an output hello. Now let's see taking multiple inputs and performing a calculation. Here enter first number. So let us enter. Now the output is in float, mean point values. If we give any point values also it can do it. Now taking in a loop. Means in this one we have given we have to give the input like how many numbers we need as loop. Let us take 3 numbers. So first number let us enter. And second number and third number. Now let's see the output. So this is the output in a loop. Mean all three values are in a list. We have used here append so that we have got the output as in a list. These are some examples for basics. Thank you.